Hi everyone, I am in the kitchen and I am making fried green tomatoes. So I'm starting off, I seasoned my cornmeal. And then I put the tomatoes in there and I coat them with the seasoning and then I drop it in the grease. It's turning out to look real good. These red ones ain't gonna do real good because they starting to turn red, but these green ones are gonna be good. Okay, everyone, I finished the fried green tomatoes. This is how it turned out, y'all. Now I'm going to make a pineapple dump cake. So literally, you just dump the cake on top of the pineapples and you spread it. Like so. I think it might taste like a pineapple upside down cake once it's all done. And then I'm gonna add some vanilla to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract to it. I don't measure it, I just put it on there. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on it, just to give it a little bit of, some taste, a little bit of flavor. And then I'm going to add this butter on there, squeezed butter on there, the whole thing. I've seen Tamar do this online, so I'm gonna see how it comes out with this on there. I gotta open it up. Now this is only like my third time doing this. I did it with peaches last time, and it came out pretty good. And I put the vanilla and the brown sugar on there. But Tamar said if you use the whole thing, it comes out real flaky and it be real good. And she said it seemed like a lot, but it's really not, because all the juice you got for the cake mix is the juice from the pineapples and the juice from the butter. So yeah, and then the juice from the vanilla extract. So let's see how it go, y'all. And you set your oven on 375 and you cook it for like 45 minutes, maybe 40. Okay, I'll be back to show y'all how it turned out. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the dump cake. Oh yeah, that looks good, y'all. I'll taste it and see what it tastes like. I left it in there for 40 minutes. Let's taste it. It's fresh out the oven too. I had to let it cool off for real. Oh, good. Oh, that's good. And that's all the cooking we're doing for today. Thank you for listening in. Bye.